Good afternoon students, myself Pragnesh Polara from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus Junagadh. Today we are going to solve the question paper of Advanced Mathematics Group 2 which was the exam held on in May-June 2014. So we are going to solve this paper with a solution. Okay, so let us look at the first question of that examination. As we all know that the first question belongs to the MCQs. So let us look at the PPT. Then there is the first question is if the midpoint of line segment AB is 1 1 and B43 is then the coordinate of A. So we need to find the coordinate of the point A. We have given the coordinate of point B, that is 4 3, and the midpoint of AB, that is 1 1. So if we are going to solve here, then the first question here we have given that let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2, right? So here B x2 y2 is equal to B43, that is given in the question, and the midpoint of AB, let the coordinates of midpoint, that is xy for example, and the coordinates of midpoint, that is given 1 1. This is the midpoint. Okay, so we need to find the coordinates of A here. So as we all know that the coordinates of the midpoint, that is given by x, is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, and y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, so here we need to find x1 plus x2, that is given 4 upon 2, and that x is given, x and y both are 1, so here 1. So 2 is equal to x1 plus 4. So x1 is equal to minus 2. 2 minus 4, that is minus 2. In the same way here y is 1. So y1 plus y2, that is 3 by 2. So 2 is equal to y1 plus 3. So y1 is equal to 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. So x1 is equal to minus 2 and y1 is equal to minus 1. So our answer is x1 y1, that is equal to minus 2 minus 1. So the option is given in C here. So our answer is C, minus 2, is in B, that is minus 2 minus 1. So our answer is B. For the first question, answer is B, that is minus 2 minus 1, right? Let us quickly look at the second question which is based on the line. The question is the slope of the line perpendicular to the line 5x minus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0. So here given line is 5x minus 7y plus 3 is equal to 0, right? We need to find the slope of the line which is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so first of all we need to find the slope of the given line, and the slope of the line M is by minus A upon B. So here A is equal to 5 and B is equal to minus 7. So that is minus of 5 minus 5 by 7, that is 5 by 7. This is the slope of the given line, right? And we need to find the slope which is slope of the line which is perpendicular to this line. So if we say m1, then this is the slope of the required line, that is m1 is equal to minus 1 by m. So that is minus 1 upon 5 by 7, so that is minus 7 by 5. So our answer is minus 7 by 5. This is the slope of the line which is perpendicular to this line, and the slope is minus 7 by 5. The option is minus 7 by 5 is option is given in option C. So for the second question our answer is C, that is minus 7 by 5. Okay, in the same way look at the third question, which is the angle between the straight lines x plus y is equal to 0 and x minus y is equal to 0. So we need to find the angle between these two lines, which is x plus y is equal to 0 and second one is x minus y is equal to 0. This is our third question. So as we discussed in the second question, the slope of the line, that is minus a by b. So if we find the slope of first line, that is minus a by b. So here a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 1. So slope is the of first line, that is minus a1 upon b1, that is minus 1. Okay, in the same way here a2 is equal to 1 and b2, that is minus 1. So slope of this line, that is minus a2 upon b2, that is minus 1 upon minus 1, that is plus 1. So slope of first line, that is minus 1, and slope of second line, that is 1. And here if we multiply m1 into m2, then m1 into m2, that is minus 1 into 1, that is minus 1. Here m1 into m2, that is equal to minus 1. So we can say that these two lines are perpendicular to each other, because m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So the angle between this line is 90 degree, right? That is pi by 2. So our answer is 90 degree, which is in the option D. So for the third question our answer is D, right? So this is the solution of third MCQ. Let us look at the fourth MCQ. The fourth question is, if the radius of the circle x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus k is equal to 0 is root 19. First of all, here for the first question, the given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus k is equal to 0, right? And radius of this circle is given root 19, that is r is equal to root 19 is given for this circle, right? So we will use this data later on. First of all, let us compare this equation of the circle with the general equation, which is, if we are going to compare this circle with general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. And here 2g, which is the coefficient of x, that is equal to minus 4. So 2g is equal to minus 4. 2f, that is equal to, in the same way, minus 8, and c is equal to k. So here g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to minus 4, and c is equal to k. So the radius of the given circle can be obtained using this data. So here r is equal to in root g square plus f square minus c, right? So r square, that is equal to g square plus f square minus c. And here r is equal to root 19, that is given. So r square is equal to 19, okay, that is equal to g square, that is minus 2 square, that is 4, f square, that is minus 4 square, that is 16, minus c, that is minus k. Okay, c is equal to k. So this one is minus k will be plus k here, and 16 plus 4, that is 20 minus 19. So we will get k is equal to 1 using the radius which is given and finding the radius from the given circle. By comparing these two data, we will find k is equal to we have find k is equal to 1, and the k is equal to 1 is given in the option B, right? So our answer is B for the fourth MCQ. So here B is our answer for the fourth MCQ. Let us quickly move to the fifth MCQ. That is given f of x that is equal to log e raised to x. Okay, that is the fifth one. F of x that is equal to log e raised to x, and we need to find f of minus 1, right? This is the question. Then f of minus 1 we need to find. So this is the very easy question to find, because f of x is equal to log e raised to x, that is f of x is equal to x, because log e base e that is equal to 1 and x comes here, right? So f of x is equal to x log e base e, and e base e is equal to log e base e is equal to 1. So f of x that is equal to x, and if we want to find f of minus 1, then f of minus 1 is equal to very easy, that is minus 1, and the minus 1 option is given in option C for the fifth one. So answer is C for the fifth MCQ, right? In the same way for the sixth one, the question is limit x tends to 1, x raised to 1 by x minus 1, x raised to 1 by x minus 1. So here we can solve this example in two way. First thing, this is the 1 raised to infinite form, so we need to use the L hospital rule, or for the diploma level we can say that if we put x limit of x here, that is 1, or this is 1 minus 1 0, so 1 raised to infinite, this is the form. And if we use the L hospital rule, then we will easily find that this one is equal to 1 raised to infinite, that is equal to 1. So we will using L hospital rule, we will find the answer that is equal to 1, right? That is quite clear using the L hospital rule. So our answer is A in the sixth question. So here answer is A. Let us move to the seventh MCQ. Seventh one is from the differentiation side. The seventh one is question is d by dx of, that is differentiation of 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, right? So we want to find the differentiation of 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x with respect to x. So before we differentiate this one, it is if we put the value of 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube, that is our formula, that is sin 3 theta, that is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So here we can write d by dx of 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, that is equal to sin 3x. Okay, and now it is quite easy to differentiate this function with respect to x. We all know that differentiation of sin, that is cos. So differentiation of sin 3x, that is cos 3x into d by dx of 3x, and d by dx of 3x, that is equal to 3. So our answer is 3 cos 3x, and 3 cos 3x which is given in the option B. So our answer for the seventh MCQ, that is B, 3 cos 3x. So our answer is B, 3 cos 3x. For the eighth MCQ, the question is if f of x is equal to log in root x square plus 1, then f dash 0, we need to find the differentiation of f at the point 0. So we need to find f dash 0 for this question. So first of all, we need to find the differentiation of f of x, that is f dash x, and then we will put x is equal to 0 and f dash x. So we will quickly find f dash 0. First of all, here f dash x is equal to, here we need to use the chain rule. First of all, as we know, the differentiation of log t, that is 1 upon t, that is a differentiation of log in root x square plus 1, that is 1 upon in root x square plus 1, that is differentiation of log, into d by dx of in root x square plus 1, right? So if we continue in this manner, we will get f dash x is equal to 1 upon in root x square plus 1, d by dx of root x square plus 1. We know that differentiation of root x, that is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. So this one is equal to 1 upon 2 root x square plus 1 into, again we will use chain rule, into d by dx of x square plus 1. So we will get here this one, root x square plus 1 into root x square plus 1, that is 1 upon 2 into x square plus 1, and differentiation of x square plus 1, differentiation of x square, that is 2x, differentiation 1 is equal to 0. So here only 2x, so 2 and 2 cancel out. So we will get f dash x is equal to x upon x square plus 1, right? This is the answer of f dash x. We need to find f dash 0. So if we put x is equal to 0 here, then we will get the answer is 0 upon 1, that is 0. So f dash 0 is equal to 0. That is our answer, and the 0 is given in option C. So our answer is C for the 8th MCQ. Our answer is C. Answer is f dash 0 is equal to 0, right? So this is the solution of number 8. Let us move to the 9th question. The 9th MCQ is d by dx of e raised to minus log x is equal to dash.